Today's unboxing is on the Tomica recent Aeon exclusive release, the Audi R8, this time in the Sheriff Deco, a very nice and unique petrol car. On the outer box, you can see the Aeon logo, alongside with the Tomica 50th anniversary logo with a gold background because it's their jubilee year. The rest of the details are pretty standard, just like other Aeon exclusive. I really love the paint job in high gloss black. I'm a fan of this color. Audi logo is clearly visible. Painted headlights, just like the red box Audi R8. Like the details on the grille, despite being the construct of the mainline standard. The Sheriff marking is displayed prominently at the side, with a very distinctive stripes as well. Light bar wise is Tomica standard issue in blue. The details on the rear is the highlight for me. No opening parts for this particular Audi R8. What's included is the standard factory suspension, together with the racing wheels, and rolls extremely well. Overall, this Audi R8 is an awesome casting. I think it's a very good call by Tomica to make this unique petrol car casting to add into my Aeon collection. More Tomica unboxing coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!